I'm Teddy Bear.
And I'm Tinka Boo.
And today, we're unboxing this Peeps Haunted Cookie Graveyard.
So late.
We just got this. Got some instructions and shit on the back of it. Shit. Really, all I can say about it. Let's try it. You see this? Look at this shit. Like, comment, subscribe. And comment and let us know any other things y'all want us to unbox.
I think here we got the icing.
Big as hell.
Those are
This the cookie.
Yes. These are the ghosts.
Regular Peeps, honey.
Yeah, regular Peeps.
They had to add some type of shit like that in this.
That's why you got the ghosts right there.
And I think that's the topping.
Yeah, the toppings. These cookies are the coffins. And this is how we're gonna be, well, this is what we're gonna be making, putting together. And then add the ghost to it, I guess. Put the icing.
Want to try?
So this the front and this the back.
So
It's the front of it, the front of the coffin, and this one right here is the back of it. This side.
And they got baby ones, 2 baby. This got a back, and the other one, that bitch got a motherfucking skull on it. I guess this is how it's supposed to look, I think.
This wasn't no movie. The smart thing was to say yes, get up, and leave the room. But then I thought to myself, what if this was a movie?
Out of my shooter, he dump out the roof. No fair life parent, but the dog in the booth. This really did got before.
Look what we just made, bro. That's live. Yo.
Hey.
Looks sloppy, but at the same time, we still did that.
Yeah, 2 niggas talking like it's lit. I'm bagging it big, booby, queen, get on my dick. On the south tryna let out 6. New, I was packing the spliff. Ayy, booby, smoking shit. Matt, a bitch ain't taking no risk. Like, tell that nigga race his kid. Wrong locked up shooting at a crackhead. Nigga BD, not back and forth. Double arcade when we started this shit. When I see you niggas, I'ma throw. Nigga be Chad, nigga be capping. These niggas never want.